name is Soraia. Today we are talking about where we're going. We are going to go today. And we are going to show you some amazing tricks. Come on, let's go together. Just do the video. No. Today I'm in the park and I'm gonna play. Connie noticed her new skills. Let's play, yeah. Okay, so first I have a lot of my toys. So we take this out. So how we get the popcorn out? My mom is trying. Just stuck in here. How are we gonna get this? Come on, yeah. I have some friends and so we got dolls. So I know if you know we got dolls. So we got also things in here. We also got like little Connie in here. Let's get her out. Here, little Connie. Little Connie coming to the park. And we got little Connie in here. So I got some Connie. Honey, show the toys. What is see? Not the houses. Don't show the houses. Just show the toys. Okay, sorry, but my mom was just showing everything else, and I know you don't like it, and I want to show my toys. So let's play Connie's new skills. But first, let's see if I have a bar. If we still have a toy in here, I'm good. Okay. I want to play first. Wee-hee! I want to play. I want to play. Mommy, don't show the sky. Show the toys. Sorry, my mom was just showing the sky and the day. It's a beautiful day. I have a bit of a dust. Eyes. I don't want to show them. Okay. Ready? Go. Connie, what do you want to eat? I want to eat some scales. Connie, you cannot eat scales at the park. What do you like to eat? Oops. Dog. No. Show the top. Okay. Jumping up and down in the ball. Ow, my head. What is wrong with you? You go on top of your ball. This is your ball. You didn't have that. Okay, so what is back in? Connie, do you want to take my toys? No, we don't have toys. Oh, we have Elsa. Let me show my Elsa. She wants water. Ah, let me go get the water. Good. I want to have take a nap. Oh. I want Elsa to sleep. Okay. No, I don't want Elsa. Okay. So we have a nap at the park. Okay, Connie, you can have a nap. Connie, wake up! Come on, let's go play your favorite game, Nintendo. I don't like playing Nintendo. It's a cat, and he calls Ethan, and then he goes in the astronaut house. Stop showing the birds. I want to play. Let's play Ethan. Let me go get Ethan. No, Ethan don't exist. He's just a pretender cat. But then he walked to the astronaut house and then he goes inside and then he broke the windows. Uh-oh. Enjoy my videos, and I'm gonna do some more Astro videos. Make sure to like and subscribe.